Alaman Christina Alaman. Yeah, what I have is what I have up here. All right. Is this going to be an application?
Yes.
All right. Court is calling 2023 CR 7277 State versus Christina Alaman. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Terry.
Defense?
Agent Bettis, Your Honor.
And are you Christina Alaman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Sorry, we are, Your Honor.
Did you review court admonishments and defendants waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4,200 grams? The state is proceeding on the repeat offender allegation. If that is proven to be true, then your range of punishment will be anywhere from 5 to 99 years in life. 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Alaman, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, you'd agree that you've been previously convicted of one or more felonies for purposes of enhancement. Punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State recommends community supervision, and there is to be restitution to SAPD for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And to the enhancement, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
All right, state, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, and then with regards to the other case, possession of fraudulent identifying information, it's listed on the docket sheet as 2024 CR 012528.
I'll check into that, Judge.
Thank you. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' states witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. As part of sentencing, we're going to resolve, we're going to ask that the other case be TIC'd.
Judge, as long as the defendant admits guilt in it, we will take it in consideration.
All right. Then to cause number, see if I can find it, and cause number 2024 CR 012528, Ms. Alaman, to the allegations of fraudulent use or possession of identifying information. How do you plead to that? Guilty or not guilty? All right. And state you're requesting that that be taken in consideration?
Yes, Your Honor, we're filling out the dismissal as you speak.
All right, and the court will take into consideration then 2024 CR 012528, and the court is going to order restitution, if any, under that cause number.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. Take in consideration 2024 CR 012528. There's to be restitution, if any, to the complainants in 2024 CR 012528. There's to be no contact with the following persons: Maria Mann, MANN, Samuel Torres, Michael Rodriguez with a G, Ryann, REYANN Hernandez. There's to be proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do you have any children?
This will be
What are their ages?
I don't have them with me. The state took them a
Okay.
while back. So my oldest is about 25. My youngest is about 16.
All right. Do you have any grandchildren?
Not that I'm aware of.
All right. There's going to be a TAP evaluation and a felony drug court evaluation in custody.
Okay.
Followed recommendations. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. There's going to be 120 sober meetings in 120 days upon release. 200 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
Young.
All right. So have you obtained your GED or anything of that nature?
We're going in county.
All right. So I'll deduct 100 hours of community service once she obtains her GED, and another 100 hours if she completes some higher level of education or if she enrolls in a trade school and successfully completes that. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's to be restitution to SAPD for drug testing. a $1,500 fine. That will be probated. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Oh, restitution for the drug testing to SAPD? All right, is there anything else that you need from the court in order to be successful?
Just curious about the no contact with minors provision, since this was a drug case.
Obviously, she has a drug issue, and the people she's hanging around with, there was a lot of drugs. And here's the thing. If you're in a vehicle and if you're not worried about who you're around, but it appears that you're part of the problem as well with drugs in the vehicle, guess what would happen if your grandchild or somebody else were to get a hold of your meth? Then you're on the news crying. You understand? So you're not in any condition to be around minors. You understand? All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Oh, you don't need to put anybody else up here. All right. Good luck to you. If you have an issue, let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come to court.
Thank you. Your
Thank
Honor.
you. Cheyenne McGuire. Court is calling 2021 CR 11806, State of Texas versus Cheyenne Josie McGuire. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Morning, Judge. Dirk Ashball for Ms. McGuire.
And are you Ms. McGuire?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, you're going to need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Cheyenne Josie McGuire who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 11806 for the offense of theft $2,500 to $30,000 on April 14, 2022 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Give me a moment, Your Honor, to bring up the motion.
Do you want the court's copy?
Yes, that'd probably be faster, Your Honor. In Bear County, Texas, the defendant Cheyenne Josie McGuire and then there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of October and November 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State.
Brings the remaining violation allegations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Is there a proposed agreement? The court will find violation of condition number 4 true.
There is, Judge.
And what-
Adjudicate guilt, revoke supervision, assess punishment of 1 year in the state jail facility. State will take into consideration cause number 697, 644, and 2024,
You need to slow it down. So take in consideration what?
697, 644, and 2024 CC 741, 739.
All right. Is that the proposed agreement?
It is, Judge.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. The court will find you guilty, grant the motion, sentence you to the state jail facility for 1 year, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration 697644 and 2024 CC 741739.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? And I'm going to order also the therapeutic community. You'll have to request it. I have no jurisdiction to force you to be in that program, but it's something that could probably help you with any drug issues you may have. You understand? All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Corey Puente.
Ready.
Court is calling 2024 CR 5143, State of Texas versus Corey Sam Puente. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
defense?
Coronado.
And are you Mr. Corey Sam Puente?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Corey Sam Puente who was placed on, sir, you'll need to take your seat. Are you the same Corey Sam Puente who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 5143 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on May 23rd, 2024 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 4 in Barrett County, Texas. The defendant, Corey Sam Puente, within and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of August and September 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated condition.
Any objections to the
Objection.
state's waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
Revocation.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Requested that he remain on deferred adjudication probation. He would like to address the court as well.
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth so help you God?
No.
All right, you can lower your hand. How old are you?
45.
Why are you not reporting?
Because I was going through family issues with my mom and my kids, and I didn't have a job at the time. But now I do have a job. I have 2 jobs actually, and I just recently know that my grandpa passed away, so I'm kind of just going through a little bit.
No, so why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation? I don't know why people think that when you're on probation, it's just some time.
No, it just
For example,
needed this.
let me just tell you, he's not on probation. He's not on probation. So if he's going through something, he doesn't have to call probation and say, I'm going through something right now. I can't report.
Yes, ma'am.
But you're acting as though you're not on probation. You can do whatever you want to do. I don't think you're a good candidate for probation. Because I will tell you, I tell everyone who comes in here, do you need anything? If there's an issue, let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. So those were your options. And instead, you chose none. You chose just not to report. I don't know what you want me to do with that. Everybody who comes before me, you know what they always say? I just got a job. Or either there's a death in the family. And let me just tell you, I understand about deaths in the family. I'm sympathetic and empathetic towards that. But usually people who are on probation, they use death in the family as, hey, I didn't report. I have a death in the family. And then when I say, okay, do you have something to show me when they passed? And it's usually years before or either, months after.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't know why I should keep you on probation.
Judge, he's been in, real quickly, if I may add, he's been in jail about a month now, a little over a month. He said he's given him time to think about the mistakes he's made. And looking forward, he's saying he can comply with the rest of his probation if continued on probation. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. Your Honor.
What have you done on probation? Have you completed anything?
Um,
All right. I'm going to grant the motion find you guilty and revoke. Does anyone wish to speak to time?
We asked for the minimum 6 months in state jail facility with credit for time served.
State?
State be requesting not the minimum, Your Honor. We was requesting at least 9 months.
All right, the court will sentence you to 9 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Restitution, if any, to Francis Hardy, Harty. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Your Honor.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are in deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. Here's the thing. Think while you're at the state jail facility, once you are released, if you're trying to find a place to go, you can always come back here and I'll help you out. Do you understand?
Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Excuse, gentlemen.
Yes, you're excused.